A guilty plea led to a courtroom fight during a murder trial in Southeast Texas. News.com has learned it also led to the escape of a suspect in a different case. Frank DeLeon Jr. accepted a plea deal on Tuesday, October 17, for the killing of former girlfriend Diamond Alvarez in Houston in January 2022. The turmoil followed in the sentencing hearing Tuesday. The victim's mother, Ana Machado, offered an impact statement in which she called DeLeon a monster. Then she stepped off the witness stand and walked toward the defense table where DeLeon sat. A courtroom bailiff intervened as Machado passed the judge, pushing her back. Video by KHOU TV shows other people then stood up. Alvarez's uncle went toward DeLeon, with deputies stopping him by wrestling him to the floor. A woman then ran forward from the spectators' gallery, pushed aside an attorney and seemed to throw her own punches at DeLeon. The attorney dragged her away. 2 sheriff's deputies were needed to wrestle a man away during the minutes-long fight. Alvarez's mother and DeLeon's mother also fought with each other for a few moments. As deputies from throughout the courthouse responded to the trouble, a suspect in another case was left unattended. KUHF-FM reports Michael Combs, 32, escaped his leg shackles and walked away from a nearby courtroom. He was there for a bond revocation hearing. The audio of the fight posted on YouTube is silent, because it was shot through a courtroom window. Cameras were barred from court. Machado told reporters later that she was upset by DeLeon's demeanor as she spoke. Did he look remorseful at all? He was laughing at my face, Machado said. A life is not a joke. My daughter's not a joke. DeLeon, 19, received a tentative 45-year prison sentence for killing Alvarez, 16. A formal sentencing is scheduled for Thursday, October 19. Alvarez was shot several times during a dog walk in her neighborhood on a Tuesday night. The dog returned home, while Alvarez did not. My son found her, Machado said. I tried so hard to keep her alive. Detectives determined DeLeon and Alvarez agreed to meet in a park after she learned he was dating someone else. DeLeon was arrested several days after the shooting. DeLeon should have appeared in court for trial Monday, October 16. But he was absent, with attorneys reporting he was injured in a car crash on the way to the courthouse. That was misleading. DeLeon was hospitalized with a head injury, but it came from riding in an ATV before the trial. Machado apologized for her courtroom conduct, but she's glad her daughter is receiving justice. We're not monsters. But it's so much hate. Because I want my daughter back, and what he did was horrible, the mother said. The past 2 years left Machado and her family feeling like walking zombies, she added. October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month. Prosecutors say what happened to Alvarez qualifies as that, even though she wasn't married to DeLeon. This is a heartbreaking domestic violence case of a young girl who was murdered by someone she dated, Harris County District Attorney Kim Ogg said. As it happens, court records show Combs was accused of domestic abuse for assaulting a girlfriend.